malinaw mga taga-Philippine Military Academy, hindi po yan ang issue. Ang kinaklarify ko po ay kanina sinabi nyo na in-encourage nyo ang PNP na i-encourage yung suspect na lumaban.
Yes.
Para mapatay, para
Yes.
masabing nanlaban.
Correct.
Correct.
Para
That was a very
ma-minimize.
incorrect.
Correct, yes.
Very incorrect po, if I may
Yes.
say, as a
It's not
civilian, sa
okay.
professional police.
It
Salamat
depends
kayo,
on,
Mr. Chair.
ano na natin yan, ma'am. That's your view, that, right?
It's not my view
Hindi ka
only, Mr.
dumaan
Chair.
ng-
Thank you for
hindi ka
putting it on
dumaan
record.
Pagka-mayor, pagka-prosecutor. Ako, alam ko, dumaan ako, prosecutor, mayor, presidente, alam ko ang trabaho ko.
Yes,
Yan ang
salamat kayo,
totoo
Mr.
dyan.
Chair.
Hindi ka nagdala ng syudad eh. You never
Totoo
had
po,
a
Mr.
chance
Chair.
to solve the problem of the community.
Thank you, Mr. President.
Thank you for
Senator
putting it on
Hindi
record,
tayo
Mr. Chair.
magkaintindihan dyan.
Senator Estrada.